Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to execute store procedures um, and get the data using C# Dapper. So let's get into this. So I just wrote some lines to create a store procedure. Um, in my database you can see this is a syntax for creating a syntax to create a stored procedure. So this is a stored procedure name, and this is the input parameter name. uh, this is the input argument name, and here I wrote the query, and here I'm just passing the input parameter to get the particular bill, right? So this is the simple procedure is created to get a particular bill by passing the input bill number. Okay, so I'm just going to run the, yeah, we just created the procedure. So I just want to get the bill using the procedure by executing the procedure in Dapper C sharp. Uh, so single bill, we have to pass single bill in connection object. Now we pass a query is bills, and sorry, here query single because we are getting a single bill, right? Query single. Now we just mention the procedure name, and again the next one is the parameter. We are going to pass a parameter into the parameter of the procedure to get the particular bill. So now the bill number equal to 2. So second bill, we are going to get the bill which has a bill number 2, and these are all default. Command timeout is called default, and now command type here, just give command type is store procedure. The text is nothing but is it's a default one actually, so we no need to mention when we write a queries in Dapper. um, we no need to mention when we write a queries like select star from the table directly. We don't need to mention uh, in that scenario. We don't need to mention in that case. We don't need to mention that command type is text. So only we need to mention the command type is when we execute the store procedures. Okay, so now I'm going to press F10. Yeah, we are getting the bill number. Bill, it has a bill number 2, right? So this is very simple. This is very simple executing the store procedure in Dapper C Sharp logic. Yeah, I hope you can understand this tutorial. uh, yeah, in the next video I will explain some other topic in C Sharp Dapper. Thank you.